In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google Calendar. Whether you're cleaning up your digital space or no longer need a particular calendar, this guide will help you through the process step by step. So, let's jump right in and get started on tidying up your schedules in Google Calendar. Firstly, to remove a calendar you've created, you'll want to ensure you're on a computer, as these options might not be fully available on a mobile device. Begin by navigating to Google Calendar through your preferred web browser. Once there, take a look at the left sidebar of your screen. This is where you'll find a section called My Calendars. It's essentially a list of all the calendars that you currently have access to or have created yourself. Now, that's the spot where we'll find the calendar you wish to delete. Hover your mouse over the name of the calendar you're looking to remove. You'll notice that 3 little dots will appear right next to that calendar's name. These dots are your gateway to additional settings and tools related to that particular calendar. With your mouse hovering over those 3 dots, give them a click. Among the options you'll see, there's one called Settings and Sharing. Click on it, and this will open a new page dedicated to all the preferences and settings available for that calendar. As you scroll through these settings, look for the Delete option. It might be towards the bottom of the list, so take your time to scroll. Once you locate Delete, click on it, but be absolutely sure that this is the calendar you want to remove. By proceeding, all the events associated with this calendar will disappear, and unfortunately, you cannot undo this action. After clicking Delete, you'll be prompted one last time to confirm that you want to permanently delete this calendar. Click on Permanently Delete to finalize the process. Remember, once deleted, all events tied to that calendar will be gone for good, so ensure you're ready for that level of commitment to this digital cleanup. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar list is now free from any unwanted calendars, and you've successfully decluttered your digital schedule. This can help minimize fuss and confusion when managing your events and appointments. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope this process was clear and easy to execute. Be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and digital organization guides. Until next time, stay organized and keep your digital life as smooth as possible.